Okay, this is going to be going over today, Thursday, uh, price action, and then I'll do the charting for tomorrow, Friday. But this was how I had price marked out last night. Um, we had marked out previous day high and previous day low, as well as previous day EQ. Um, YM had continued to close bullishly, um, as well as NQ did, right? As well as yes, no, I had marked out, and I had put this in the video yesterday. I had drawn out this range from the previous unmanipulated high, right, to the previous unmanipulated low to find EQ here. And I was interested in that because I wanted to see how that responded on NQ as well. I mean YM as well. So that's what this line is. Oops. So then what we can get into what the 4 hour looked like last night. And then let me just jump forward. Okay. Boom. Okay, so this was the overnight session, right? Going into this morning. Let me slow it down. Okay, so let's go. So this was for it. You can see that we put in a change in the state of delivery on NQ, on YM, right? And ES. Furthermore, we swept these lows, right? And we did not create SMT. And we're sitting right above what previous day low on YM, right? Prior to market open. So if we drop down to our 15-minute charts, right? We can play the morning through. Um, I'm only looking for which of the assets is leading between YM and NQ. Also, last night I was interested in this low here that was not taken as it was resting right above discount of the range that we were currently trading inside of. I did take longs last night targeting Asia High here. Um, Ended up closing here because I didn't like that we had not SMT'd and we had stopped. You can see here on YM just shy of that. So I did not like that we did not create that there. Though we did have one here. So anyways, I got out here and then it ran, which was a really nice trade. But you can see that once we did get to EQ of the daily wick here, which is a point at which I annotated um, on Wednesday's upper candle on all assets, because I was looking to for us to trade inside of this daily SIBI at EQ of this previous day's candle's wick, which we ended up doing. And then at that point, because that not only is EQ, but it's also the rebalance point from the previous week, we now know we can move lower to where run out this low resistance liquidity, which is why this key level ends up getting taken after we rebalance. Okay. And again, this is going into market open. This tells us what? Directional bias, right? Previous day low, right? So this is why we're looking at this. We stopped just shy. So what time is this? So let's move forward here. So we get to, and I heard the market was kind of whatever today. But let's see, where's 30? I don't want to blow by it. Let's get down to the 1 minute. Let's see here what happens. Okay, so here's 9. We'll get to 9:15. Here's 30 coming up. So we're rebalancing. Right, let's see on the 5. Yeah, we're rebalancing, but we don't have a CSD for lower, like a nice one yet. Same thing here. Right, we did close below here, but not down here. So let's see what happens at 30. Probably YM's going to take this low, previous day low. Okay, so that was what, 15? Okay, so here comes market open right here. Boom. So YM's already taken previous day low, right? take closure of 30 to here. I would not, because this was taken so quickly. I would want to see what 45 does. Okay, so 45 comes back to EQ of 30, opens low though, so incorrect PO3. Furthermore, check this out. YM closed above opening price of 30. Also, PO3 is an open low here. So, okay, there's a CSD. So a little too fast. I'd be curious. But let's just hypothetically say you get this CSD here. I'll take that right there. Bam. Close a little early. But previous day EQ, there's a nice little long, but let's see 10 o'clock. Okay, so look, 10 o'clock's rebalancing here. Rebalance. Boom. Okay, so there is rejection of the what 4 hour order block, right? Yep. So this is now we've now rebalanced what to the 4 hour OB also at EQ of this previous candle. So now you can see this looks like we're ready to reject and move lower here. But we need a CSD for lower, right? So we don't have one on 30. We don't have one on 15. And we're gonna have to wait here for because we just reached that. So we'll see. But I would venture to guess that we now move lower. Let's see, YM's already created SMT down there. I don't really know. I didn't participate today, but I have no idea. I'm consolidating, expanding now. Yeah, it's gonna get taken. Boom. So now we have SMT. I was just that's not something I would have taken. I was just curious. So we just consolidate what all day until what 1 11. I bet 11. 11. Let's see what happens at 11 o'clock. Right here. 11 o'clock. Already CSD.